Right. No possible way of describing this, but I'm on a mini train. You'll see in a second. Hang on. You can see that. I'm at a school fair at the moment, and I'm just waiting for the fire to build up. He's got a really cold shovel.
There we go.
Hey, it actually works. Well, it's just one train. I've got more passengers coming on board. I'll just.
Good now, aren't we?
Yes. Oh, I think we're going to go. Oh, yes.
Right, we're all ready, Ricky.
Special little rides for today.
Right. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, and off we go. Oh, did the. Oh, you see. Kind of fun. Hello. Good. About to go backwards to the start. Oh, I missed the steam. Missed the steam blow.
Hey, on you going again. Hey, on you go again.
Oh, we're going again. Oh. Oh yeah, that's magnificent. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, this is so cool. Oh. Going all the way back there. Oh. This is the future of steam train driving.
Wait for it to stop. All off this way, please.
And that concludes it. Jolly good.